Hi, Sarah Brynteson here with Infinite Shine Enterprises. I'm coming to you today because it is the month of June.
Yep. If you're watching this in real time, it is May 30th, but it's the month of June.
And today starts a brand new opportunity that I want to make sure everybody knew about. This week through June 5th, you have two ways that you can join and start your business the moment that you are entered into the computer. The first way is virtual. What does virtual mean? Virtual means that you're going to be able to sign up for just $15. With that $15 fee, you're going to get 3 months of a paid website and have the ability to start your business the same day. You'll be able to earn 25% commission on every item and order that you sell, whether it's on your website or through events. If you would rather start with a few more products in your home to demonstrate with, take a look at the summer kit. This kit is $60, and what it features is the No Time to Waste bag that you can get with any product order from the catalog for just $1. It's a great addition to any order. It also includes a small deep fridge smart. This is going to save the most money over time for your friends and family and yourself when they use this for their fruits and vegetables. Ask me for more information about that if you want to learn how. Every single home needs to have a good set of measuring cups and spoons, but if you like baking it all, let's be real, you need to have 2 or more sets, it feels like. Also, having a good spatula is important, and what I love about this one is it's heat safe up to 450 degrees. You can use it on the stovetop or in a breakfast maker that also comes in your kit. This breakfast maker is perfect for making a couple eggs for a quick breakfast on the go, or for making brownies if you want a late night snack. The Junior Thatsa bowl is a gift that only hosts can get when they have a qualifying event, but you get to have it in your kit to start your business. Also, to start your business is a Speedy Grater. You can use this to grate cheese, chocolate, whatever you want, and it's going to come out finely grated with this wonderful surgical steel blade. All you do is you put the item inside this hopper, slide it back and forth, and you're good to go. Quick Shake is going to be your way to make those eggs that you want to use for your breakfast maker or that marinade that you want to have for this summer. And then you can cool yourself down with water in the medium water bottles. This is 25 ounces. Or if you're at a bonfire, you can fill it with wine if you want. It will hold a whole bottle. For all those leftovers that you might have, we call them planovers in Tupperware, you might want the Brynteson. What I love about these is these are freezer safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and they nest smallest to largest in your cupboard. So whether you start with the $15 virtual option or the $60 summer kit option, know that you're going to be able to have 3 months of a free paid website. You're going to get the welcome bonus for $20, which is the Wonderlier bowls, the Deli, and the Big Wonders. And then when you have $500 in personal sales, you get to add all of these. And this is called the No Time to Waste set. It features a
Large water bottle, which is 36 ounces, our wonderful reusable eco-safe straws in the pouch, a set of spoons and silverware, the salad on the go, it shows anybody can do Tupperware, the large lunches, the divided dish, which is perfect for those larger lunches, or you can turn this into a meat and cheese tray for those bonfires that you have. The salad on the go, the to-go cup is perfect for your hot or cold coffee. It has a removable sleeve, so you don't have to worry about getting your hand all warm. A soup mug, sandwich keepers, and this set
can be added to your home for just $25 when you have $500 in personal sales by June 26th. So my question to you is, do you want to go virtual or do you want to have a little bit more fun in the summer? The choice is yours. Tell us below in the comments what questions you have about joining, and myself or the consultant that invited you to watch this video will be happy to answer all of them. What did you see that you loved most?